So our internships are open to all undergraduate and college students or students studying an integrated master's course, and they can also be from any background, and this is if you're studying in Scotland, the rest of the UK. You will either need a work visa or the right to work in the UK. Internships are normally 35 hours a week, so make sure this is something you have covered. We don't actually have capacity to sponsor visas as part of the internship program. So you do not need to be based in Glasgow to apply. We welcome internships from everybody, anywhere. So you don't have to just be studying at an institution here. You could be kind of all the way down in Sheffield or all the way up in Aberdeen. We really like to see a range of students, and our opportunities are also based in a range of different locations as well. So in terms of applications, they will be either posted via our LinkedIn pages, on our NMIS website, or on the Strathclyde University website. So when you go on, you will click the link, it will then take you to an application page. You will upload a CV, and you will also then write a personal statement covering the criteria set out in the job application. So make sure in your application you're covering all of the desirable and essential criteria. If possible, give examples of where you've done this kind of through your studies, through extracurriculars, through clubs, and show your enthusiasm as part of your application as well. So applications will be open for roughly 3 weeks. You should hear back at the end of March, and if you're successful through the first initial sift, we'll be hosting our Insights Day at the beginning of April. While you're doing the applications, as much as possible, make sure you tailor both your CV and your personal statement to meet the criteria in the job advert. Something important to note is you don't need to meet every single criteria in the application. We understand everybody has different skill sets, different interests, but if you can try and meet as many as you can if possible. And we really want to see your enthusiasm shine through. We're so much more than just our jobs or our studies. What do you like to get up to in your spare time? How can you apply this to different skills? Things like teamwork, communication. Show us all of these different things. We really want to try and build the full person here, and give you that whole experience.